Welcome to MIT Asia, introducing MIT PP, also known as the plant power. This is a liquid form and is rich in functional probiotics for promoting plant healthy growth with long acting organic NPK, suitable to use at all stages of plant growth from seeding to harvesting. Improve nutrient absorption, improve soil condition, provide active fertilizer to roots, and helps to protect plants from diseases. This is also suitable for plantation patterns such as soilless, and hydroponic. Simply apply 20 drops around the plant's roots with sufficient water, 1 is to 500 to 1000 dilution for spraying. Alternatively, you can also get to spray them weekly or drip irrigation at the root bi-weekly. Great for all vegetables, fruits, flowers, trees, and plants.